managing multiple projects and deadlines can quickly become overwhelming. In this video, I'll show you how this simple Google Sheets task tracker helps you organize everything into one clear and easy-to-manage system. You'll learn how to track tasks, manage priorities, assign team members, monitor deadlines, and filter your workload to focus on what matters most. We'll also go through the dashboard, weekly planner, and monthly views so you can easily track progress, upcoming deadlines, and overall project performance at a glance. For this tutorial, I'll be using the light mode version of the template, but a dark mode version is also available in the description below. You can also use the chapter timestamps to jump to any section of the tutorial anytime. Alright, let's quickly go through the README tab first before setting up the tracker. The README tab is your starting point for getting the most out of your template. Think of it as your quick reference guide whenever you need help or a refresher. Here, you'll find links to helpful resources so you can get familiar with the tracker in minutes, important notes about spreadsheet access and protected tabs, a link to create a fresh copy of the template, and step-by-step written instructions, with examples and screenshots that you can review directly from this tab. Anytime you're unsure what to enter or how a section works, you can always come back here for guidance. Once you're familiar with the template, you can hide this tab to keep your workspace clean. To hide it, right-click the Start tab name at the bottom and select Hide Sheet. You can unhide it at any time by clicking the three-line menu, selecting Start, and making it visible again if you need a refresher. Next, let's review the Start tab. The Start tab is where you configure your task tracker to match your preferences and workflow. Complete this first to ensure everything works correctly. Step 1. Set your locale and time zone. Before using the tracker, let's make sure dates display correctly based on your locale and time zone. To update settings in Google Sheets, go to File Settings under General, set your locale and time zone, and click Save. Then check the box in the Start tab to mark this step complete. Step 2. Customize drop-down lists. Customize your drop-down lists and add up to 10 projects or clients, categories, and assignees to match your workflow. This template allows to track up to 5 statuses you can customize with emojis. Do not modify the status label completed as it is used in core formulas throughout the tracker. You can update its icon if needed. Alright, now that the setup is complete, let's move over to the Task Tracker tab. This tracker is designed to help you organize, prioritize, and monitor your tasks in one place, with real-time insights into progress, workload, and deadlines. Each row represents one task. The tab is organized into 3 main areas. The Task Tracker table is where you log and manage up to 2,000 tasks. Everything in the dashboard and other views updates automatically from this table. Filters help you quickly narrow down your data. Use them to focus on specific projects, team members, priorities, or task statuses. The dashboard gives you an automated overview of your tasks and progress. To log a new task, scroll to the task table and fill in task name. Add a short description of your task. Select a project or client from the drop-down. Select a category for your task, marketing, finance, etc. Select who is responsible for the task. Select a status for your task, not started, in progress, completed, etc. Assign a priority from low, medium, high, or very high. Then use the date picker by double-clicking the cell to select a start date and due date for your task. Days left automatically calculates the number of days remaining before your task is due. The column is color-coded to signal tasks due within a week in orange and overdue tasks in red. Optionally, add a note about the task progress, roadblock, or reminder. Regularly update the status of your tasks to reflect the most recent updates, and don't forget to set the task as completed when you are done. Completed tasks are highlighted in green and tasks due today are highlighted in orange. Filters let you cut through the noise and view exactly what matters in seconds. You can use one filter or combine several filters. You can quickly search a specific task. See all tasks tied to a specific initiative or client. Focus on a function, marketing, finance, etc., or a team member. Only show tasks with specific status. Surface high-impact work filtering tasks by priority. Or identify urgent or upcoming tasks based on specific due dates. To use filters, simply click any filter drop-down, select one or multiple values, and the entire table will update automatically. The dashboard gives you a visual overview of your task progress, upcoming deadlines, and provides insights about your project, category, and how your tasks are distributed across people, status, and priority. This section updates automatically based on your tasks. View overall progress and key metrics. Monitor upcoming deadlines within the next 7 days. Understand task distribution. See how tasks are spread across priorities. Track project progress and completion. View priority distribution by category. Analyze status distribution and workload by assignee. And view the top status and assignee. Next, let's review the weekly schedule. The weekly schedule gives you an automated day-by-day view of all your active tasks for the week. It is especially useful if you manage a heavy daily workload and want a clear visual overview of your tasks, priorities, and deadlines throughout the week. In the top left panel, enter your start date. This defines the beginning of your week. The tab will automatically display the next 7 days from this date. For example, if you select May 4th, your week will run May 4th through May 10th. Each card represents a day of the week and helps you quickly assess how your day is going and displays your daily progress with what's done, pending, and the total tasks due for that day. By default, tasks are sorted with the highest priority tasks first to help you stay focused and organized. You can use filters to create a personalized weekly view and filter by project, assignee, remove tasks with specific statuses, or hide completed tasks. You can also view your overall weekly progress to quickly see how your week is going at a glance. Next, let's review the monthly calendar. The monthly calendar gives you a full overview of your tasks across the month, helping you plan ahead and stay organized. Use the calendar to visualize your entire month in one view, spot busy days or weeks, identify overdue or clustered tasks, stay ahead of deadlines, reorganize your workload more effectively, and make better planning decisions. You'll instantly see where you or your team should focus and never miss a deadline, thanks to real-time updates. At the top left, set your calendar view, enter a year, select a month and a week start day. The entire calendar updates instantly based on your selection and display tasks based on their due date. Each day block displays up to 7 tasks with their assigned category and priority color coding. For a more detailed and complete view of your workload, especially on busier days, you can simply head over to the Weekly Schedule tab instead. Use the left panel to filter your calendar by project, by team member, and remove tasks with specific status. You can also use the legend at any time for color-coded cell and emojis meaning. On the right panel, the summary section gives you a quick overview of your monthly progress based on the applied filters, along with the full list of tasks scheduled for the selected month, so you can quickly understand your workload, track progress, and stay ahead of upcoming deadlines. And that's it. You now have a simple and organized system to manage your tasks, track deadlines, and stay on top of your workload. Instead of juggling scattered to-do lists, everything is now centralized in one place, from daily tasks and priorities to progress tracking and project performance. As you continue using the tracker, you'll start identifying workload patterns, spotting bottlenecks earlier, and making better decisions on how to prioritize your time and projects. You can update the tracker anytime as your workload evolves, keeping it flexible and useful as your projects grow. If you want to revisit a specific section, use the chapter timestamps below or refer to the README tab inside the spreadsheet. And if you haven't downloaded the template yet, You'll find the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and hopefully this tracker helps you stay more organized, manage your tasks more efficiently, and keep your projects and deadlines under control.